After working on this king quad for a little while, I would have a crank, 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 no start. I had spark, I had fuel. The only way I'd get it to be able to run was if I would force feed oil down the carburetor to build up compression to start. So, cylinder bore, pretty clean. Head, pretty clean. I see I got gas in there, it's not leaking. Alright, check out this piston. These rings are collapsed, are like flush with the piston. So that was probably why I was only getting 35 psi. The only thing extruding out a little bit is the oil compression ring. But get a good vibe here, get a good vibe. Yeah, look at those rings. They are flush with the piston. They're not supposed to be like that. So I don't know if somebody bought a top end or rebuilt this and didn't get the right size rings, but I'm guessing that's what happened. But yeah, if you got an '07 Suzuki King Quad 700 and it's hard to start, well, this started by the customer stating it was really hard to start, but after he started it up and let it run for about 10-15 minutes, it would run great. But when you would go to stop, it had a problem and it didn't really want to idle, it would die. So for anybody out there who has this issue with a crank, crank, crank or hard start issues, tear into it. They're really easy to work on.